Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to memorize custom reports in QuickBooks. So it's going to be a quick one, and let's just get straight into it. The first step is going to be to open the report that you want to save. So go to Reports in QuickBooks and then run the report that you want to memorize, such as a customized profit and loss. Next step is going to be to customize the report. So use filters, date ranges, and of course column settings to match your preferred layouts. Next step is to click Save Customization. Now, once your report looks the way that you want to go ahead and click Save Customization at the top. Next is to name your custom report. Now, give it a clear name so that you can easily find it later. Optionally, you want to create a group if you have multiple related reports. Next is to access saved reports anytime. So go to the Custom Reports tab in the Reports section to view and run your saved reports instantly. A pro tip, you can schedule saved reports to be emailed automatically to you or to your accountant. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.